PURBLOCK RND insulation board, made of rigid polyurethane foam, is made with specially shaped lamellas that allow it to be easily bent around arches, columns, pipes, and other rounded details. This is how you achieve consistent insulation of round details with a perfect radius. We manufacture polyurethane boards exactly to order, according to the needs of customers, for the required thickness and diameter of the arch or column. When assembling, i.e. gluing to a column or arch, we recommend using polyurethane glue intended for gluing insulating boards. You spray the glue on the leveled board so that it gets a little into the cut slats, and after a while, bend the board around the column and fix it until the glue hardens, for example, with adhesive tape. Stello is a manufacturer and supplier of PUR and PIR boards, panels, and blocks. Do you need advice, or are you interested in individual adjustment? Do not hesitate to contact us. Stello, PUR and PIR boards, panels, and blocks. Thermal insulation, structural, model. Stello SK.